I am Mrs. Visalachi, working as a teacher in Trinity Matriculation High Secondary School, Namakkal. In this session, we are going to discuss 7th Standard GK, Chapter 52, Tools with a View. The magnifying glass is the simplest of all optical instruments. It consists of a convex lens, that is, a lens that buggles outwards on both sides. The lens mount in a metal or plastic frame with a handle produces the manufactured images of the objects being viewed. The magnifying glasses is extremely handy for people who need to study small objects or those who have a trouble to reading fine print. It is also used a burning lens as it focuses the sunlight at a particular point. It is capable of generating immense heat at the point and starting a fire. The telescope is a device that makes distant objects appear nearer by magnification. Telescopes come through various sizes, from the little plastic toy to the huge Hubble Space Telescope, but the basic principle remains the same. A simple telescope consists of two lenses at a fixed distance from each other insist a tube. The lens facing the object collects light comes from the distant object and focuses it to form an image at a certain point in the tube. The lens close to the observer's eyes magnifies the images so that the object appear larger. Binocular are a pair of identical telescopes mounted side by side using binocular. Distant objects can be viewed clearly and accurately using both eyes. Binocular are used in a wide number of applications, from bird watching to accurate astronomy. The periscope is a instrument used to object from the concealed position. It is a tube with mirror or prism at each end, set parallel to each other such that the image seen on the upper mirror is reflected on the lower one, which in turn reflects it onto the observer's eyes. During World War I, soldiers used it to keep watch on the enemy from trenches. Microscopes are instruments that magnify objects and creatures that are not visible to the naked eyes. Had it not been for the microscope, the extent of microorganism and the miniatures world would never have been known. Next, chapter 53, Red Letter Day. A red letter day means a day that is noteworthy or memorable. Many calendars have special dates and holidays highlighted in red. Now some important days is given for match. International Women Day, March 8. Earth Day, April 22. Women Environment Day, June 5. World Food Day, October 16. World Book Day, April 23. World Water Day, March 22. World Population Day, July 11. Now date and month is given. We have to find the what is the special day on that day. First one, February 28, National Science Day. December 4, Navy Day. August 29, National Sports Day. January 30, and Martyr Day. January 12, National Youth Day. January 24, National Girl Child Day. In this chapter, we discuss tools with a view and red letter day. Thank you.